Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2025. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So, itong reading na to, paalala lang, ito ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Scorpio, let's see what's the energy for you. October 1 to 15. Orca records. Parang may mga hahalungkatin ka ng mga impormasyon, aalamin. Magche-check ka ng mga documents, paperworks. As simple as pag-check ng iyong birth certificate or mga information sa iyong business, career. This can also mean like something spiritual that you want to know your past life or maaring Akashic records. Yan. Magkokonsulta ka sa nagbabasa ng Akashic records. Abundance. Wow, love this. Yes, you have an abundance mindset. Alam mo na you are provided. Makukuha mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Basta isi-set mo lang yung isip mo na sa'yo na yun. Maaring you are also practicing law of attraction, law of assumption, manifestation. Ooh, may rest, pagpapahinga. You will also focus on yourself, taking care of your needs. Maaring yung iba sa inyo napagod sa mga activities nyo ng mga nakaraan. Yung iba, this is vacation, going on a vacation. Kayo ay pupunta sa lugar kung saan kayo ay makakapagpahinga. Let's see what else, Scorpio. October 1 to 15, 2025. Ooh, 9 of Pentacles. Wow, the Empress. Talaga namang merong abundance dito, oh. Wow. Scorpio, blessed na blessed to, oh. A lot of opportunities for you. Kaya lang alam nyo, minsan, hindi natin napapansin na, we are blessed pala. Marami palang blessings sa paligid natin. Kasi parang nagiging normal na lang, no, na maganda yung buhay, you are doing well. So, it's time for you to be more grateful, no, sa blessings na natatanggap mo. Para kasi naghahanap ka rito ng excitement. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, na-achieve nyo na yung mga goals ninyo, and naisip nyo, ano na yung susunod? 'Di ba? So, with the 9 of Pentacles, some of you are financially stable, financially abundant. You have the career that you want. You have the business na nagta-thrive. Maganda yung negosyo. You also have the Empress. Some of you are very creative. Maaring ngayong first half ng October, may bago kang ilo-launch na business or source of income. Or mas magiging productive ka, no? Ngayong first half ng October. Some of you, meron ding pregnancy dito. This can be literal na pregnancy. Maaring manganganak na or mabubuntis pa lang. This is also launching something. May sinisimulan ka no? Can be a business. You have the Queen of Pentacles. Yung resources mo provided para sa'yo. Kaya naman yung iba sa inyo magpapahinga, no? Kasi pwedeng you've been working so hard, trabaho dito, trabaho doon. And now, parang gusto mo ngayon na, magkaroon ng clarity, kaliwanagan sa isip. I feel like merong person dito sa buhay mo na trinay mo nang i-cut off sa buhay mo, pero maaring itong tao na to ay laging bumabalik sa'yo. Yung tipong maaring gusto makipag-ayos, ganun. At iniisip mo na bibigyan mo ba siya ng chance? Are you gonna give this person a chance na bumalik sa buhay mo? So, let's see your money, career, finances. Wow, o diba? 6 of Wands, merong recognition, achievement, fame. So, if you are into social media, nasa public yung iyong work, career, yan, mas magiging maganda yung takbo ng career mo, negosyo mo. People will celebrate you. Sa trabaho naman, maaring ikaw ay may recognition. I-recognize yung galing mo, talino mo, kakayanan mo. Also have the 10 of Wands. Ito kasi, yung iba, akala nila napakadali lang nung ginagawa mo. Kasi, it seems na parang pinapakita mo na madali. Pero sa totoo lang, ang dami mong ginagawa. Like, mahirap siya. You may be struggling, pero, kaya mo eh. So, maaring yun yung reason kaya ikaw ay mas nagiging successful kasi talagang you work really hard. And then, sa love life, you have Temperance and the Queen of Wands. So, yung mga hinihintay ninyo na adventure, kung kayo ay merong relationship, no? Yung mga hinihintay nyo adventure, this is happening na ngayong first half ng October. You will be able to explore, go to different places. Some of you mas magiging creative kayo with your partner. If you're single, pwedeng merong person na darating sa buhay nyo. This can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I don't think na this is something na very serious, no? Pwedeng ito ay acquaintance or dating, but not so serious relationship if you're single. So, kailangan lang, enjoy mo lang, no? And tingnan mo kung saan pa po makakarating yung relationship ninyo. And if you feel na parang gusto mo ng seryosohin, then by all means, do it, no? Lalo na kung magkasundo kayo. Let's see what else, Scorpio. Ayun na nga, pagod na nga. Pagod na kayo. Yung iba sa inyo literal, meron kayong sasakyan na matagal nyo nang ginagamit at parang feeling nyo kailangan ng palitan. Papalitan nyo na yung sasakyan na yan. Some of you are releasing your old habits, yung mga habits na no longer serving your highest good. Kaya nga may pagpapahinga kasi yung iba sa inyo talagang napagod sa hustle ninyo. Ibig sabihin napagod ka sa trabaho, sa hard work na binibigay mo for your craft. Now, there's achievement and recognition. Definitely, may success, may victory. Meron kang maraming dahilan para maging proud ka sa sarili mo. Yan, no? Yung resources mo, andyan. You are provided. Provided ang needs mo. Merong obstacle dito na kailangan mong paghandaan, kailangan mong alisin, no? Something that is blocking you or keeping you from doing something. So, kung merong mga bagay na parang naglilimita sa'yo sa ngayon na magawa yung iba mo pang gustong gawin, hanapin mo yung dahilan kung bakit yun naglilimita sa'yo. And, do something about it na i-clear yung energy na yun. You're going to heal your inner child. Yan, having fun. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo magta-travel, mag-enjoy, magre-relax to reset, no? Ancestral healing. Your ancestors are holding space for you to heal your past. Yes, you are healing your trauma. Maaring kaya nga may inner child dito is like you are healing your inner child. Yung mga problema, challenges na pinagdaanan mo nung bata ka. Ngayon you are realizing na kaya pala pinagdaanan ko yun kasi nga kailangan mo na ma-motivate rin para mag-improve and to be successful at marating kung ano yung achievements mo ngayon. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.